Houkhiba ahingda Len Yaoba akanba Nonglei Nungsitna, Thoubal District ki Wangkhem AC ki manung chanba, Yairipok Kekru, Khoirom, amadi Heitroipokpi yum kaya amang atta Thokhankhiba aduda, Governor na athubada Mityeng changduna awaba taraba shingda mateng pibiyu haina, Wangkhem AC ki MLA K Meghachandra na appeal tourakli. Wafam asi Len Yaoba akanba Nonglei Nungsitna, amang atta Thokhankhiba Yairipok Kekru, Khoirom amadi Heitroipokpi gi yumthong singi fibam yengsin maki khongchat amada mahakna phungdokhibane. Yengsin khongchat aduga mari leinana MLA K Meghachandra na paumi singda hai. Houkhiba ahingda sitkiba Len Yaoba akanba Nonglei Nungsit aduna Wangkhem AC ki mafam kayada amang ata Thokhankhiba. Thodok aduda AC asigi manung chana leiba Kekru. Khoirom amadi Heitroipokpi hairiba khul ahum asigi mafam ayamba paktak nana amang ata Thokhankhiba. Khul ahum asigi jingkana kuppa yum ayamba len fudrapadage amang ata nangkhe yum kai kya amana nungsitna humdokre mana masing kya amang ata Thokhankhiba thodok asi yamna laibak thibani awaba taraba imung sing asigi yenbiduna governor na mari leinaba lengaki department singi mihut thaduna fibam asi ingsinbiyo loinana athuba matamda awaba nanglapa imung singda GI sitna jingba relief ki potlam sing piduna awaba ko Changbiyu haina MLA K Meghachandra na appeal tourakli.
To give some relief for the affected people of Kekru, Khoirom and Heitroipokpi. These villages were severely affected by the heavy rains and hailstorms. The SDC also going inspection under the Deputy Commissioner Thoubal and the Pradhan and this representative of the Gram Panchayat. They are also looking around that. I am also going to the ground to see the affected houses of these three villages, particularly Khoirom, Kekru and Heitroipokpi. So I ask the Honorable Governor to look into the matters and afford some sanctions for the relief material.